Have you ever been in a situation where you're at a bar and you find someone attractive, or you're at lunch with a client and you just simply don't know how to start a conversation? So you feel awkward, uncomfortable, frustrated? Well, here I am to help you get started on some ideas of what to talk about. Here are 5 topics to start a friendly conversation: work, travel, food, weather, life. Let's talk about work. So questions that you could ask could be, what do you do for a living?
What do you do for a living?
What motivated you to become a therapist? What do you love about your job? Is it the people? Is it the money? Is it the liberty of time? Now, travel. Questions you can possibly ask could be like, do you have any recommendation of places to visit? Like a museum or a restaurant or monuments? Or when was the last time you traveled? Or where would you like to go next? Now, food. Questions you could possibly ask could be, do you have any recommendation of places to visit? Or have you ever tried Ethiopian food? It's delicious. Or what's your favorite food? The weather. Now, questions to ask could be like, wow, it's a beautiful day, isn't it? Or how's the weather where you are from? Or what's your favorite season? I know mine is summer. Hey, if you like watching this video, don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget, we offer group classes as well as personal, with a flexible schedule and private English teachers from all over the world. And last, life. Questions you could possibly ask could be, do you have any hobbies or interests? Or what are your plans for the week or weekend? Or where are you from? This is it for today, guys. I really hope this video helped you out, and now you know what to talk about in your first small conversation starter. And remember, you can use these questions anywhere you go, whether it's on a date, or a lunch with a client, or meeting your in-laws for the first time. Dynamic English doesn't just help you improve on your English, but we also want to help you speak spontaneously and organically. We're here waiting for you to come on board.